the institution which implements the basic root of Indian education system, that is Gurukula model in every single aspects, and the availability of modern education, which is very much essential to survive in this rationally developing competitive world. The dream of every parent in this modernized era is to see their pupils' achievement. With the dream of providing the education by covering all these aspects in the systematic way, Shri N Hegde Trust Kumta have entered the field of education. Uttara district famous gynecologist Dr. G. Hegde is the founder president of this trust. In spite of corona pandemic, with the span of 1 year, the best infrastructured 3-floor college building was established and opened for the academic activities with the intention of not causing too much financial burden for the parents. With the very basic and finest fee structure, the institution was started. The meritorious candidates of Uttara districts are dependent purely on coaching for UPSC, IAS and other examination which are available in outside districts. To overcome these differences, the founder president of this institution, Dr. G. Hegde, is planning for providing all this coaching under a single roof in the upcoming days. Shri N Hegde Trust Canara Excellence Pre-University College is established at the highest peak place of Gore mountain. In all angles of campus, the tremendous view of the surrounding environment is possible. College buildings, every left side view will display the extraordinary view of the Dhareshwar beach. Similarly, the right side view will display the beautiful view of the Western Ghats. In front of the campus, within the walkable distance, Gore Sridharashrama and Gopalakrishna temple are situated. Behind the campus, the spacious and peaceful ground views are possible. Totally, the campus is situated in the place which is completely free from noise pollution and comprises of the pure air and atmosphere. Altogether, the entire campus is situated in divine land. This is the college which is the combination of tradition and modern education system. Addition to this, we highlight on the Indian traditional values, cultures, spiritual values, chants, bhajans, music will also be taught and the students will be trained up to their best in these aspects. Spacious and the best interior designed lecture hall, function hall, well-equipped science laboratories and learning smart classes, best materialistic facilities and well-equipped library are the main highlight of this institution. Residential facilities with a separate building for boys and girls, residential facilities for the lectures, the cleanest and the pure vegetarian canteen are available inside the campus itself. Since the lectures are residing inside the campus, special teacher-student bonding is developed. Also, the regular counseling and taking care of the student in every single aspect is made easy in this regard. In add to this, vehicle facilities to the students of Kumta and nearby taluk is also available for daily transportation. We focus on NCERT based curriculum by preparing them for competitive exams like CET, Neet, JEE and CA foundations. Further professional courses will be planning to start in the upcoming days by the institution. The fee structure will be formulated in a way which will not cause any burden for the parents to get the admissions. Some of the selection criteria are made. They are as follows. Candidate should secure 90% or more than that in SSLC annual examination. Candidate should have the interest to learn either in commerce or in science stream. Selection will be done on the basis of entrance exams for such candidates. Selected candidates will be provided free food and accommodation. With the essence of imparting the education in commerce and science stream, cultural value-based education, caring and providing secure environment for students, healthcare, yoga, music, lecture series by experts, coaching sessions, library, encouragement for sports provided under a single roof, which is the one and only residential college of Uttara district, that is Canara Excellence Pre-University College, Gore, Kumta. Parents, students and all high school teachers are cordially invited to visit the campus. For immediate enquiries regarding the admission of the pupils for the upcoming academic year, please contact